is the best move in this chess position for the white pieces? And let's look at this right quick. Let's analyze our opponent's pieces. They got this rook on a5, they got this bishop on d4, and this rook on h3. If it's their turn, they can already do rook a2 and rook h1 and checkmate us. And they got this bishop on d4 that can check us on c3 and e3. What can we do about that? Because our position is lost if we give them an opportunity to have one move. Our best move is rook c7. If they go to king g8, we can take this pawn on g6. If they go to king f8, we can check our opponent with rook c8. And then if they go to king f7, we can checkmate our opponent by going to rook g7. Easy, right? And if they go to h6, then we can easily do bishop g5 checkmate. That easy. White is winning, but they have to do all the accurate moves.